Hello, Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. My name is Sabina and I've been a member of the World Pulse Powershift Inclusive Excellence Committee for over a year. Today I'm recording this video to encourage and invite World Pulse community members to join PI. World Pulse seeks 4 courageous leaders to join our Powershift Inclusive Excellence Committee, PI. What is the PI Committee? The PI Committee is one of 2 groups that governs World Pulse. PI represents the voices of World Pulse's global online community and works to ensure that their diverse voices and experiences inform World Pulse overall and its governance. In doing so, PI guides World Pulse's work to become a social network leader in inclusive excellence and shifting power to globally underrepresented voices. As a PI committee member, you will work with a team of brave leaders to help shape World Pulse's future of inclusive excellence and shifting power. Members commit to 3 to 5 hours a month to meet as a committee and with subgroups they are part of. New members will undergo a series of onboarding sessions to gain further insights into the work of PI. Additionally, World Pulse provides an annual stipend valued at $300 to facilitate an environment where all members can easily connect online and access to participate in PI committee and subgroup meetings. We hope to welcome and onboard 4 new courageous PI committee members by the 31st of January 2024, but this date might be extended. Will you be one of them? We anxiously look forward to reviewing your application. Join us as we work towards a connected and inclusive world for all. A world where all forms of violence against women and girls are not only prevented but eradicated. And the use of technology promotes cultures of safety and security. Warmest regards, the World Pulse's Powershift Inclusive Excellence Committee. And finally, before I end this video, I would like to thank 3 wonderful PI committee members, Sherna, Tamarak and Sally, who have been instrumental in drafting and amending the Google form doc and the email that will be sent out to all World Pulse community members. Thank you all for your support, dedication, time and patience. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam. Peace and blessings.